Holiday or winter whimsy. This is all about dressing your holiday table with beautiful and thematic dinnerware that's going to absolutely bring the holidays home for everybody who sits around your dinner table. Let's welcome in Tesher, who brings us this beautiful, beautiful dinnerware.
Gosh, I've been so excited.
And this is so exciting too. It's brand new, first day on the air today.
Yes.
And this is something very special. 16 pieces, service for 4. What comes in a place setting?
Sure. So I'll walk you through the pieces first, and then we'll talk about the patterns, okay? So you're going to receive 4 of the 10.5-inch dinner plate. You're going to receive 4 of the 8-inch salad or dessert plates. You're going to receive 4 of the 7.5-inch bowls. That's actually a bowl, but I just have it tipped forward to show you the icon in the center. And then you're going to receive 4 of the 5.5-inch bread plates. This is what we call our holiday collection. If you picked up the pie plate, you'll notice that that icon in the center, that beautiful Christmas tree with the snow on the top, the gorgeous sleigh. I'll pick it up so you can get in close and see. And there, of course, that mailbox with the cardinal on the top that I do in honor of my father. And can we just talk about the silhouette? Both patterns have a very distinct and different look. So I love that no two are going to be alike. So you're going to see 4 of that. Then your dinner plate, David, is going to have, of course, Santa cooking his cookies, baking in the kitchen with all of his little friends there that you see. We have your penguin, we have your gingerbread, all of your Whimsy characters. Then we'll come on over here. We'll stay in the plate area. There we have Santa by the fireplace. He's got all of his stockings. Not only do you have hand-painted and hand-applied accents, you have all the charm and everything you love from Temptations. And then in the center here, in the center of the bowl, we actually have the sleigh, which has all of your presents of your Temptations.
Now, the first pattern that Tara's just taking you through is called Holiday. We have 2,600 sets of those. Let me highly encourage you to buy more than one set. If you're going to be servicing service 8 or 12 people, you'll need either 2 or 3 sets, right?
We are not planning on getting any of this back at the end of the year. So this is it. What we have is what we have.
So no more coming in before Christmas.
Correct.
Yeah, this is so stinking cute. This is called Winter Whimsy. And the dinner plates, well, take it away.
Okay, you're cute. So we incorporated the plaid, which we know many of you have been loving, whether you picked up the mini loaves, whether you picked up our little ramekins, and we reached out to all of you and asked you to go ahead and name our gingerbread character, and you have named him Gumdrop.
Gumdrop.
So there is Gumdrop. Love that. So on your 10.5-inch dinner plate, you're going to have Gumdrop.
And that will, and just to be clear, all the dinner plates have the same
Yeah,
image,
they match. That is correct.
So Gumdrop will be on all your dinner plates.
Then, of course, moving on over here, we have Wimbley, also you named our reindeer. The reindeer, of course, has the beautiful cardinal. He's wearing the old world scarf. All of the detail surrounded by that beautiful plaid. Then your bread plate is going to have our adorable snowman. He, of course, is holding his Christmas tree. He's got the cardinal on his top hat. And then your bowl is going to have our penguin. He, of course, with his pink little cheeks, his adorable little nose, and his hat. He is all set to go. As we mentioned, you're going to receive 4 10.5-inch dinner plates, 4 8-inch salad plates, 4 7.5-inch bowls, and 4 of our 5.5-inch bread plates.
Remember, these are all stoneware, so they can go into the oven up to 500 degrees,
Yes,
right?
you could actually reheat a piece of pizza on that if you wanted to.
You could also put these in the microwave. You can put these in the dishwasher. No worries, no concerns. This is what a 16-piece set looks like, all stacked up.
Isn't that nice?
This is service for 4. And if you need more than one set of 4, if you're maybe doing a table for 8 or 12, you'll need 2 or 3 sets depending.
Yes.
I should also tell you that in this Winter Whimsy, I have 1,500 sets left.
So cute.
And when they're gone, there will be no more this year.
This year.
And so this is why you want to get these now and get them while the getting is good. And you know what? If we put these back on next week, for example, Tara.
Yes.
If we have any left, I can't promise this will be on 6-pay.
This is incredible.
It's on 6-pay today, and I know that for certain. What I don't know is what, if any, Easy Pay it'll get when it comes back, if we have any left over, which is why you want to get yours while the getting is good today. Now, those napkins are not included, but if you wanted to buy them, I believe they're available.
They are available, as is the runner that we were showing you. But there's what I love is the buffet.
Everything is 6-pay.
Yeah, incredible. So we were just showing you there that set up as a buffet. And what I love about our dinnerware is that, again, you can put it through all the paces. We love to say it's not just another pretty plate, right? So microwave safe, oven safe, fridge safe. It looks like your fine china. You don't have to baby it. You have those hand-applied accents. You're probably wondering, if you start using sharp knives, do I have to worry about that? You do not. These patterns are sealed into the stoneware and fire fired, not to turn it into a science project, at over 2100 degrees. So this is baked on. Look at the silhouette there. So I always say if you like maybe a little bit more elegant look on your dinnerware and you want to mix these in with some of your pieces, this is perfect. If you want something a little more whimsical, then of course you're going to gravitate towards Whimsy. But our characters, all of the pieces that we do, David, look how pretty just one place setting is with all of these pieces. And can we talk, thank you, can we talk about that bowl? It's a pedestal bowl, super elegant, and again, the framing around the silhouette is just stunning.
And these are remarkable. They're going to become your Christmas tradition. Perhaps even dinnerware that you save for someone else, pass it down to a new generation of family members.
I love that.
Celebrating the holidays, and maybe there's someone in your family that absolutely loves Christmas more than everybody else. This becomes theirs one day.
Yeah.
That's what makes these so special. Please
Oh.
don't miss out on this. You can see how beautiful they are when they're dressed on a table this way. You're also going to love the 6 easy payments today of only $16.66. Now, if you want the Winter Whimsy, which you're looking at right now, I have 1,400 sets left. If you want the holiday, that is much more popular. 2,500 in the holiday, and that's all I have. So this is why you want to pick this up. Do you love the table runner?
Yeah.
It's available as a separate purchase. It's also on 6-pay today. Everything's on 6-pay today. So utilize that 6-pay opportunity to dress your entire table.
Yeah, and you know what I love about this too? If you wanted to, these can work together. I get that they're different silhouettes, but if you wanted to have an eclectic kind of holiday table, the same Whimsy characters that are on the plates you're looking at right there are also incorporated onto the more elegant, what we love to call our holiday, where we've taken, of course, the characters because they're with Santa and they're actually helping him bake with your little adorable snowman there. He's not melting by the oven. He's pretty special there. And then, of course, we have your penguin and we have your gingerbread. And as you hear David hitting on this, you don't have to baby these pieces. Think about your Christmas china. I guarantee you, it is fine china. It's not something you can put in the dishwasher. It's something you hand wash. You only use it that one time, and you're paranoid.
It's fragile.
It is fragile.
It is.
That must be Italian.
That must be Italian, fragile. Yeah. So this is something
Look at him.
Oh my gosh.
David, these are so fun. You could layer these pieces in, and I love that we took the character and we filled the plate. We didn't put all 4 characters and jam them all in there. Each one tells a story. Each one is sized for the plate. Each one is the Temp-tations that you've been loving and collecting, and you have been asking for holiday dinnerware in our Whimsy, in our holiday for a very long time.
And Winter Whimsy, you can use all winter long.
You can.
Yeah, because these are just, they're winter characters, not necessarily Christmas characters, although they work very nicely for Christmas. This is H220200. Wow.
I like it.
Zeros. And if you're interested in the seasonal napkins, these come in Harvest or Whimsy.
They do.
And that would be a nice complement to your pie plates earlier, right?
Absolutely.
And then, of course, our placemats. Harvest or Whimsy, all on 6-pay today. And the runner in Harvest or Whimsy